I need the blender. Don't have the blender. One second. Shit, I just unplugged the mic. Welcome back. This is episode 2 of Smoke Show Home Videos. Today we're doing a jalapeno hummus. It's going to be topped with a za'atar marinated filet mignon. It's absolutely delicious, something we eat all the time at home. My wife is here, my mom is upstairs. We're all going to enjoy this together, so let's get right into it. First thing you're going to want to do, get yourself some filet mignon, or any steak really. Olive oil, a little bit of that, salt, pep. Finally, our delicious za'atar spice. All kinds of delicious stuff, namely thyme, roasted sesame, sumac, and a bunch of secret spices. Delicious. I'd say like a pinch, one generous pinch. Give it a little mix. You getting that, Marty? You know what? 2 pinches. Now what you want to do is let your meat just kind of sit while we set up the hummus. Then we're going to cook this up. So in your blender, 1 can of rinsed chickpeas, 1/3 of a cup of tahini. Put it in there. The juice of 1 whole lemon. You know what I forgot? Garlic. Allison?
On it, boss.
Thank you. Next, 2 cloves of garlic. Salt and pepper to taste. Last but not least, just a little bit of water. Get things moving around. After you put your water in, add some olive oil. Now it's time to spice it up, baby. This is our original lightly smoked jalapeno hot sauce. Depending on how spicy you like it, I usually put about a tablespoon. Then you give it 1 more shot with the blender. The hummus is ready to go. We're gonna put it aside. We're gonna take care of the steak now, all right? Get your pan nice and hot. Add some olive oil. It'll start smoking, maybe, who cares? Steak goes in, and you're gonna wanna cook that for, like 2-3 minutes. Okay. Now, we're gonna take this boring looking hummus and we're gonna make it beautiful. Steak, sunflower seeds. For some crunch, baby, I cut up some long and hot peppers, fresh mint, some olive oil, a bit more hot sauce, and a squeeze of lemon. This is our jalapeno hummus topped with za'atar marinated steak. We're all done now. I'm gonna bring it to my 2 toughest critics, my wife and my mother, who are just hanging out on the couch over there.
So what exactly is it again?
Jalapeno hummus with za'atar steak, and that is just pita bread.
This is good, David Rose.
Is it mint?
Mmm.
Good?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Excellent, David. Excellent.
There you go. You heard it here first, or from them first. This is the end of episode 2 of Smoke Show Home Videos. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Make this at home.